Hello everybody. Welcome back to channel Best Woodworking. Amazing circular saw cuts a big tree. Imagine a powerful circular saw slicing through a massive tree with effortless precision. The roar of the saw fills the air as it glides smoothly, transforming the formidable tree into manageable logs. This awe-inspiring process showcases the sheer strength and efficiency of modern sawmilling technology, capturing the essence of industrial prowess in wood processing. At the heart of this impressive operation is a beautiful log saw. Its sleek design and robust functionality make it a marvel to behold. This saw doesn't just cut, it performs with an elegance that turns heavy-duty work into an art form. Watching it in action is both mesmerizing and satisfying, as it demonstrates how advanced machinery can handle the toughest tasks with grace and ease. A standout feature of this sawmill setup is the innovative lift system. This ingenious mechanism allows for seamless log handling. Simply roll the logs into the lift, and with a press of a button, they are effortlessly elevated onto the saw table. This not only speeds up the process but also minimizes the physical strain on workers, ensuring a safer and more efficient workflow. The lift system epitomizes the perfect blend of technology and practicality, enhancing productivity without compromising on safety. The Hurdle automatic sawmill takes center stage in this high-efficiency operation. Designed for peak performance, it flawlessly feeds cants into the Bruco resaw. This seamless integration between the two machines ensures a continuous and smooth workflow, maximizing output and reducing downtime. The Hurdle sawmill's ability to handle large volumes of timber with precision and speed is a testament to its superior engineering and design. It's a critical component in transforming raw logs into refined, ready-to-use lumber. One of the most significant advantages of this advanced sawmill setup is its quick installation and startup. On traditional sawmills that require extensive setup times, this system is designed for rapid deployment. Within a short period, the sawmill can be up and running, allowing businesses to start processing timber almost immediately. This efficiency in setup translates to faster turnaround times and quicker returns on investment, making it an ideal choice for modern sawmilling operations. Located in Moscow, TN, Hurdle Machine Works stands at the forefront of sawmill technology. Renowned for their innovation and quality, Hurdle Machine Works delivers machinery that meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. Their commitment to excellence is evident in every machine they produce, ensuring that each piece of equipment not only meets but exceeds industry expectations. Their sawmills are built to endure the rigors of heavy-duty use while maintaining exceptional precision and efficiency. The manual TURBOSAWMILL model is engineered for precision and ease of use, featuring several key functions that enhance its performance and versatility. Blade rotation and taper adjustment. Operating the blade manually allows for fine control over each cut, ensuring accuracy. Adjusting the taper is straightforward, allowing for smooth transitions between cuts and the creation of custom taper profiles as needed. Foot leveling and weatherboard attachment. The foot leveling system is designed to provide stability on uneven terrain, ensuring the saw remains steady during operation. Attaching the weatherboard is a simple process that protects your lumber from the elements, maintaining the quality of your work regardless of weather conditions. Sizing knob and jockey wheel. The newly introduced large knob for sizing offers improved grip and control, making it easier to adjust the dimensions of your cuts accurately. The jockey wheel facilitates the smooth movement of the saw along the log, reducing operator fatigue and enhancing cutting precision. Double cutting capability. This model supports double cutting, allowing for cuts up to 6 inches and 8 inches wide. This feature is particularly useful for producing larger beams and boards, expanding the saw's versatility and range of applications. Accessories and attachments. The saw comes with a board cart that fits both a chainsaw and a 13-horsepower Honda engine, providing options for different power sources. The included dolly aids in transporting the saw, while the planer blade ensures a smooth finish on your boards. The center foot offers additional stability during operation, and the beam extension allows for handling longer logs with ease. Amazing band saws that cut large trees. A band saw is a powerful and efficient tool, especially when it comes to cutting large trees. A prime example is the Tanden Vantec eucalyptus band saw, which is designed to handle the toughest challenges in the timber industry. The performance of this band saw is impressive. With a sharp blade and a powerful motor, the saw can quickly and accurately cut through thick tree trunks. Not only is it fast, it also ensures high precision, helping to minimize wood waste and improve work efficiency. The Tanden Vantec eucalyptus band saw is not only powerful but also durable, meeting the needs of continuous work for a long time. With advanced technology and optimal design, the Tanden Vantec band saw is the ideal choice for wood cutting jobs that require high precision and efficiency. This is truly an amazing tool that will satisfy anyone who needs to cut large trees. Next, come to the Byzantium Woodworking Factory, perfect craftsmanship at every stage. At Byzantium, the process of manufacturing wooden products is meticulously divided into several stages, each requiring specially equipped workshops. The factory boasts a comprehensive infrastructure, including a checkpoint, an unloading area, an overpass, a sawmill, a drying complex, and multiple specialized workshops. Every morning, workers are transported to the factory by bus. Upon arrival, they register at the checkpoint and head to their respective workstations. The production journey begins with the delivery of softwood saw logs. The Boschy screen KB1 unloads these logs onto the overpass, where they are sorted and processed. Some logs are selected for cylindrical production, while others proceed to the sawmill. In the sawmill, logs are meticulously sawed to specified sizes using a band saw, transforming them into boards. These boards are then loaded into drying chambers, where they are dried to achieve 8 to 10% humidity. To prevent discoloration during drying, the chambers are equipped with aerodynamic ventilation. Cylindrical production is a critical stage in processing round timber. Selected logs are fed into a machine that shapes them into uniform cylinders of a specified diameter, simultaneously carving out longitudinal grooves. The logs then move to another machine for crown cup selection and cutting. Meanwhile, dried wood is transported to the production building, where a multi-saw machine cuts the boards into blanks for doors and moldings. Workers meticulously trim these blanks, removing knots and defects. The scraps and waste serve as fuel for the drying chambers. The next stage involves cutting micro-tenons for gluing the blanks together using specialized German glue. The glued blanks are clamped in a press, then laid out for drying and further processing. The dry glued blanks undergo a rigorous quality check for defects before proceeding to the final stages. To enhance the appearance of doors and other products, special lamellas are glued to the front side. Selected wood is thinly sliced, sanded on a calibration machine, and then adhered to the main blanks. The glued blanks are clamped in a press for added strength, cut to size and transferred to milling for the creation of panel parts. This stage involves various milling machines depending on the product model. Certain models incorporate glass, which skilled craftsmen cut with precision. During door assembly, glass installation, decorative panel parts, and upright elements are meticulously assembled, trimmed, and calibrated. The final products are then sent for cosmetic finishing. Here, the wood undergoes a final sanding, minor defects are rectified, and a primer coat is applied. Once the primer is set, the products are painted, dried, marked, and packed for delivery. Byzantium's products are delivered nationwide using both heavy and low tonnage vehicles. Whether you're ordering a log house, windows, doors, clapboards, floorboards, or other components, Byzantium Woodworking Factory ensures top-notch quality and comfort in every product. Their dedication to craftsmanship and precision guarantees that you'll feel good and comfortable in your beautifully crafted wooden home. From raw logs to finished products, Byzantium Woodworking Factory's meticulous process exemplifies excellence, ensuring every piece meets the highest standards of quality and aesthetics.